My name is Lewis Walsh. I'm one of the directors of Kedel Limited here in Colne in Lancashire, and I'm sitting here today with one of our team of industrial product designers, Laura Young. I just wanted to ask her a few questions about the work that we're doing at the moment on our CNC machine. Can you tell me about this? Who are we doing this work for at the moment?
They're a company that design furniture and outdoor play equipment for children.
What are the actual products that we're making for Red Monkey? What is it that we're doing with them?
We're making pirate ship accessories for the wooden pirate ships that go in playgrounds in schools or nurseries. And they are made out of wood mostly, but we make plastic accessories for them, which are pirate flags, ship steering wheels and ship anchors.
Sounds fantastic.
It is.
First of all, it does the 8mm, so it does all the way around the outside of the flag. It does the centre holes of the anchors, and then it'll come back, drop the tool off, and it'll do a 6mm, which is the eyes of the pirate flags, and the thick engraving on the anchors, and then it'll put that one back, get the chamfer bit out, and it'll do all the small engraving around the outside of the skull and crossbones.
I'm here today with Johnny Scott. Johnny's one of our CNC operators and been working with us for 2 years now. He knows everything there is to know about this machine. So tell us a bit, what are the capabilities of our CNC facilities here, John?
Well, this is our Multicam 3000 series machine. It's a flat bed machine. It's got a 3 metre long bed by 1.5 metres wide.
It's quite big actually, isn't it?
It's quite a big machine, yeah. There's this version, and then the next version up is the 5000 one.
Right.
So we've got quite a large machine.
Good.
We have the option of 8 interchangeable heads at the bottom,
right.
which allows us to change from end mills, which will do your profiling of your material. We also have the option of an automatic tool change and drill banks. We have 16 drill banks altogether, which allows us to drill horizontal and vertical in all directions.
Right. What kind of clients have we been getting for our CNC services?
We have a large variety of clients, a company called Alstrom, which do train renovations. We actually make pallets for them.
Those are the things on wheels, aren't they?
Yeah, they're on wheels, so it makes it easier for the guys over at Alstrom to move from one place to another place. We have another company called Anchor Housing, which is a housing trust, aged for the 50s and above.
What was it we were making for them?
At the minute we do quite a lot of garden furniture, seats, benches, tables.
And that had to be designed specifically?
Yeah, that's all been done especially for Anchor.
And what about the education market?
We have quite a big section in the education market. We do a lot of products for a company called Kedel. We actually do over 30 products for them.
I believe we did something quite unusual recently. Did we have an artist come to us? What was all that about?
Yes, Jane Revit. It was actually for the Tour de France when it came through England, especially through the Yorkshire areas. The idea that Jane had in her head were she'd get so many starlings over a piece of land, so when the Tour de France passed, you'd have that shot in the background.
A land sculpture, isn't
yes,
it?
Very much a land sculpture.
They call it a murmuration of starlings, don't they?
Yeah.
And what actually what do they have to bring to us? What does a client have to bring to us so we can get started on the design?
A client can fetch anything from just a simple, idea in their head that they want. They can start off with that, or they can fetch a CAD file to us, like a SolidWorks file, or anything really, from a drawing to a thought in the head, and we can work from that.
I think I remember you saying something about DXF, is it?
Yeah, DXF file is when we get a CAD file, we'll sort the CAD file out, get all the right measurements and everything like that, and then we'll export that CAD file to a DXF file, and the DXF file will then actually go to our CAM system. Now the CAM system is what programs the machine.
Tells the machine what to
do. Yeah, it tells the machine where to go, how deep to cut, and what surface we want it at. So once that's been exported to the CAM system, it'll then get programmed and toolpathed to actually cut out the shapes and the sizes that are required.
Is this going to be good enough for things like flat pack?
Yeah,
products?
We do a lot of flat pack products ourselves, which can be found on our websites.
And this CNC can do it accurately enough to...
Yeah, the
customer's not going to struggle to put it together when they get it.
No, the CNC machine is actually accurate to 0.001 of a millimetre. So it's very, very accurate in what it does.
A bit better than me or you, eh?
Yeah, quite. It's you know, it's far more accurate than what we actually need it to do. But yeah, it's good to know that it's that accurate every time on the dot. We can do thousands of them, and you can guarantee it'll always be that accurate in the same spot every time.
Well, that's really fantastic, Johnny. Thanks very much for explaining it to me.
You're welcome.
If you'd like to know more about our CNC services, perhaps you want to make use of them, you can give us a call on 01282 861 325, or you can email info@kedel.co.uk, and we'll be very happy to take care of all your needs with design or with the CNC services.